How to install WordPress in Hostinger? Installing WordPress in Hostinger is very easy. The method is the same for both domain and subdomain. Let me show you step by step. First of all, go to your Hostinger dashboard, click on the websites option. Now click on add website and you will see different options like WordPress. Now you need to enter some basic details. Select your preferred language, enter your email address, create a strong password. After that, click on the next. Now choose the domain or subdomain where you want to install WordPress. Search for your domain name, select it, and click next. Now WordPress installation will start. Within a few seconds or minutes, WordPress will be installed. After installation, you will see some options: create website using AI, use templates, or start with a blank website. If you want a clean start, select go to WordPress. You will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully installed WordPress on your domain or subdomain.